Welcome to VitaFog by Joshua Osler, Melanie Mignan, and Mario Cervantes. VitaFog has been created as a non-profit organization with the goal to make a difference on a global scale. We invite you to participate in this great opportunity. Our value proposition is to bring drinkable water to communities that lack this valuable resource. In much of the world, clean water is inaccessible or it's very expensive to obtain. We aim to alleviate this pain by creating water out of thin air using fog nets. Now, these are specially designed fog nets that extract water from fog, and it is pure and drinkable, and it's approved by the World Health Organization as a pure water source. Our main customers will be South American communities where fog is frequent. They will be able to obtain pure water due to our VitaFog projects. One way we'll be paying for these projects is through selling bottled water in California, which will be made from VitaFog nets in that area. This will be a great opportunity to create a viral experience, and people will be curious about fog water. Another way that we can serve those local communities is by creating agricultural groups and gardens that will be supplied by our VitaFog water, an additional food source for those who are in need. We plan to create virality through YouTube videos and Facebook posts due to our unique projects creating water from fog. Another way that we seek to reach our customers is by selling water, bottled water from fog to tourists in California. Another way that we'll be in touch with our customers is by creating base camps in every VitaFog project community. These will be set up to ensure that those people that need water the most will be obtaining it. One of the main sources of our connectivity is through our website. We need to make sure that our donors can see what is happening in those VitaFog projects and how their donations are benefiting the communities. We will also partner with nonprofits who are spread across South America and who can point us and guide us to those communities that can benefit from our services. And we know this will be a huge benefit to them, and we look forward to those partnerships.